You keep saying you want something different, but you walk through the same door again. Every morning looks like the one before it. Every excuse sounds like an old friend. Real change isn't found in waiting, it's found in the second you almost react. There's a gap between what happens to you and what you choose to do with that. Stay a little longer in that gap. That's where the different version waits. You don't need to feel ready, you just need to not repeat. You don't need to feel ready, you just need to not repeat.
Wydra bóbr.